recommended posts. So I will only have the post from this freelancing group and only this my post. Okay, so this is a bit of help from Facebook. So I really want to add some picture to this my profile. Let's see I can do this or not. Let's add a photo here. Now this is the same process. Let's add a DP. What if it works in my PC and desktop? This okay, so yeah, done. Let me drink some water. So yeah, uh, I can drag to this by center position. Let me see where should I can do this. Yeah, this is good. So I'm a boy and I'm making a profile picture of a girl. Don't mind it. I'm not what I don't feel what what should I say. I don't differentiate in genders. Okay. So write some description. I am a boy, but I just added a profile picture of a girl to show that we are all we all are equal. I know this is very stupid, but let's do this. Okay, save. This is very stupid, that line. Okay, so let's what I should say, ignore it. Okay, so yeah, now you can see this photo. So everyone can see this photo now. Everyone who can see my account. Okay, so now they will find me through this picture also. What about this cover image? Should we add this one? Let me see. Okay, upload photo. This logo. uh can I add GIF files? Let me see. Okay, so I can add this also. Let's save it. Okay, I know this will won't work, but for as a picture this looks okay. I don't know, and this is very bad picture, I'll say, but okay, so we'll select it. We'll not go further in it of selecting the type of pictures. Our motive to learn Facebook, not finding a good picture. So as you can see, you can also do post like that, but I don't know why post is not happening. Let's see one more time if I can make a post here.